Have you ever felt like your mind is being overwhelmed, jumping from one distraction to another, unable to focus on something truly important? Maybe you're hooked on social media, video games, or other activities that give you that instant pleasure. If so, here's something you need to know. You are being controlled by dopamine. And the bad news? It's destroying your ability to truly live and find satisfaction in the small things in life. But don't worry, there's a way out. You can learn to control your dopamine, use this powerful neurotransmitter to your advantage, and finally break free from this vicious cycle that is destroying your mind. Imagine rebalancing your dopamine levels. This means stopping the constant pursuit of those bursts of instant pleasure. You relearn how to find pleasure in simple things, in small moments, and regain control over your mind. Now, how can we apply this in practice? Here are 4 simple but powerful strategies to help you regain control over your dopamine and consequently your life. Your brain seeks balance between pleasure and pain. If you push too hard on the pleasure side, eventually you'll fall into pain. But what if you could use this to your advantage? This strategy is called pain before pleasure. If you face some discomfort before seeking something pleasurable, the pleasure will be greater. For example, if you enjoy lying on the couch, snacking, watching a movie, and checking your phone, try doing something uncomfortable first, like going to the gym or taking a run. By paying for pleasure with a dose of discomfort, you reprogram your brain to enjoy those rewarding moments even more. Now a question, are you afraid of boredom? These days, being bored is rare because there's always something to distract you. But the truth is, boredom can be a powerful tool to regain control of your mind. When you allow your mind to wander without the constant stimulation of a phone or series on the computer, like watching this video until the end, your brain starts to operate in more creative and introspective ways. The most brilliant ideas often come in moments of boredom. Allow yourself to be bored once in a while. Take a walk in the park without headphones, sit in silence, or simply enjoy the moment. Over time, you'll see that boredom might be exactly what your mind needs to reconnect with what really matters. Now, if your brain is used to constantly seeking dopamine, the best way is to avoid those behaviors for a period. It takes about 4 weeks to rebalance your dopamine levels, and that means cutting off these addictive behaviors at the root. This might include turning off notifications, uninstalling apps, or even avoiding situations that bring you back into the cycle of quick rewards. Yes, you will experience withdrawal symptoms, restlessness, anxiety, difficulty sleeping. But over time, your brain will learn to once again appreciate the small pleasures in life. And if cutting everything at once seems impossible, add barriers. Set time limits for social media use, define areas of your home where certain electronics are off limits, or even eliminate certain behaviors entirely. The more barriers you put between you and the dopamine triggers, the easier it will be to control your impulses. I have just one last question. Are you ready to stop being controlled and start controlling? If the answer is yes, then it's time to apply these strategies and take back command of your mind and your future. I'll see you in the next video, and be a better person.